2014年，美国阿拉斯加发生一家4口凭空消失的真实事件。失踪现场极度诡异，衣服还挂在椅背，吃了一半的早餐也摆在桌上，仿佛前一刻还有人在这里吃饭。家里的物品钱财完好无损，车子也好好的停在车库，整个家就像前一秒还有人生活，没有勒赎电话，没有找到遗体这起离奇失踪案，甚至出动 FBI 介入调查，至今为止，这一家4口依旧下落不明。
Are the unexplained stories of over 16,000 disappearances. In any given year, anywhere from 500 to 2,000 people go missing in Alaska, never to be seen again. Authorities conduct hundreds of rescue missions, but most often return without finding the missing person or any evidence at all.
原来在阿拉斯加的消失事件早就常出现，类似一家4口离奇消失的案例，在当地时常发生，也让这座城市成了当地民众口中的诅咒之地。
Discovered that there are numerous geological anomalies found throughout this mysterious area.
They can wreak havoc with guidance systems, compasses, all kinds of electronic equipment that can cause planes and other vessels to go missing or crash. And there are theories that these anomalies can spawn portals, these doorways into other dimensions.
在阿拉斯加，不止人会消失，最夸张的是，连飞机都有可能整架消失不见。1950年，美国一架 B-36轰炸机携带1枚核弹飞往苏联执行秘密任务，行进阿拉斯加的途中跟塔台失去联系，整架轰炸机和机上5位美军军官全部无影无踪，连前往搜救的飞机也跟住不见，机上的无线电也收不到任何讯号。
Except 3 years later, in 1953, during a search and rescue operation for a missing oil prospector, the Royal Canadian Air Force discovered the wreckage of a crashed B-36 on the slope of Mount Colgate in the British Columbia interior. How did the aircraft, which was supposed to have crashed in the open water in the Pacific, come to rest on a mountainside almost 300 miles away? Importantly, no evidence of the bomb being present in the wreck was ever found.
美军还专门为这个画了一个可能的飞行图，这个飞行图画出来，大家都觉得，看看非常离奇。那个飞机竟然在太平洋上空掉了个头，又朝着那个阿拉斯加山脚的方向飞过去了。
阿拉斯加的诡异磁场似乎吸引住经过这里的飞机和船只，连训练有素的军机。